Hey folks, it's Dion from Trade with Ruvi. Today is 21st of March 2024. Let's look at our analysis for today. So right now we have price come into a point of interest, and right now we see that price is still inside the Asian range, and we do not want to take trades inside the Asian range, so we wait for it to break out of the Asian range. And in this case, what do we expect to see? Right here, there are orders sitting here. These are stop losses. So we set our buy stop liquidity. And of course, there is another order right here, sitting right here. And this is what? Buy side liquidity. So what do I expect to see? We're expecting price to come back into this POI, but this time it's going to clear this buy side liquidity. We look out for a change of character, and then what happens? We go down, right? So we sell back into the zone. Now you need to understand one thing about trade management is that you cut short your losses. Allow your profits to run. Now don't allow your profits to run ignorantly, because you don't want to be in a winning position and then you end up losing everything altogether. So within the next couple of weeks, we're going to deal with how to trail your stops efficiently. And the key word is efficiently, because you don't want to trade your stops and allow market fluctuations to take you out and then price goes back into your direction. So you stay with me and we'll lead you through this process together. So how about you stick up there, and I'll come back in the next video. Let's see what happens when price gets into this point of interest. Now I need you to understand that the market is not perfect, and we are only going to trade this point of interest. We're only going to trade this point of interest if price does exactly what we want it to do. If price does not react to that point of interest the way we want it to react to, we let it go. You don't force trades, so you need to trade your plan and plan your trades. You don't force trades. You don't trade outside your plan, because when you do that, you bring in inconsistency. We want to be consistent. So we want to wake up every day. We do the same thing over and over again. But this time we're not doing the wrong thing. We are doing the right thing over and over again. And let me tell you something about doing the right thing over and over again. You do not stand a chance to be incompetent, because this is actually where you gain mastery. Alright, so how about you stick in there, and I'll meet you in the next video. Let's see what price does when it gets to that point of interest. So if we take this trade, what do we expect? Of course, this is what we expect, and we'll be aiming for roughly, let's say, 1:, all right, this is 1:10 to 13. All right, and let's quickly make these 10 stops. Okay, just give some gap for market fluctuations so the spikes don't take you out. It's called spread anyways. Okay, so we have these to be 1:10, and it necessarily must not come to 1:10, right? That's why we've got to manage our trade efficiently. So stick in there and let's watch what price does when it gets to this point of interest. See you in the next video. Thank you.